Hiya, quick saw sharpening video for you lot. Homemade saw chocks, just clamped at one end and bolted at the other. Stick that one in the vise. And it's a case of whipping up the saw teeth with one of these, saw file. A couple of strokes, 2 inches long each, then off we go. So just like this. In the first tooth, rock it so that it fits roughly up against where the tooth sits forward, and then gradually start to wake up 2 strokes in each point. And that should take no longer than about 5 minutes per saw. You should see very easily where you've been, because it goes nice and shiny. Well, I've just filed. You can see I'm only an inch up or 2 up the saw. Just keep going. Start to establish a bit of a rhythm. And then keep going until you get to the end. And that's it. Saw sharpened and off you go. Just to recap then on what you need to actually sharpen your saw. So, first of all, most importantly, you need one of these. And that's what you call a saw file. So this one's made by Barco. It's a 186062. So that's good from anything from about sort of 10 points per inch up to about 5 points per inch, something like that. So yeah, that's ideal for this sort of handsaw. So this is an old steel handsaw. Do not try and do this on a hard point saw, or what you call a throwaway saw. Something like this one, plastic handled thing. You'll break your file very quickly and probably damage the saw as well. So that one can go out the way for the minute. Right then, you'll also need something like this. Now, this is what you call a saw chop. It's just 2 bits of wood bolted together with this end cut round so it fits nicely around the handle of the saw. So you put it on the saw like this with a little bit sticking out the top. That's probably slightly too much, but yeah, for illustrative purposes that's enough. No, the purpose of that is to just stop the vibration when you're filing the saw. I tend to trap mine on with a single-ended back clamp like this. Just put one on at the loose end, and the bolt at the other end takes care of the tightness there. And then you trap the whole lot in your vise. And then off you go, and that's all there is to it. So different type saws need different size saw files. I've got a finer one here. This one's suitable for up to about 18 points per inch, 20 points per inch, something like that. Sometimes it's nice to have something like this. It's a little handle, you just put the file in and it stops you hurting your fingers a bit, but we're tough old chaps in this house, so I don't tend to use one. But yeah, the process for starting on this one, which is my next project, with no teeth on whatsoever, is pretty much exactly the same. Apart from I'm going to start them off with a hacksaw, junior hacksaw blade to initiate where the teeth need to go, and then just file along with a saw file. Probably about 4 or 5 passes and we'll have it done. So that's about an hour's work, something like that. And then that's it. So happy sharpening. Bye for now.